Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the AutoNation Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed vehicle inventory data directly from AutoNation.com. This is useful if you're researching vehicle prices, tracking inventory, or analyzing the automotive market at scale. This actor extracts structured vehicle inventory data from AutoNation, the largest automotive retailer in the United States. It collects pricing, specs, VIN numbers, dealer contact information, vehicle features, and images, all without browser automation or manual scraping. It's designed for car buyers, resellers, analysts, and anyone who needs reliable vehicle market data. So, how does it work? You can use one of two approaches: a direct AutoNation URL, or structure your search with these filters, which are the same ones you can find in the AutoNation page. It's important to note that you can use only one of the search methods. If you want more control or automation, you can use search filters instead. You can filter by year, range, vehicle make, price range, mileage, interior material, and dozens of vehicle features like Apple CarPlay, navigation, heated seats, or backup cameras. This approach is perfect if you want to run repeatable searches. So, let's fill it up and we'll run it. And remember, if you leave them empty, it'll grab all the possible options. So once you're set, you either start it once or you schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll only run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, all vehicles appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each record includes the vehicle title, price, VIN, mileage, specs, dealer name and phone number, and image URLs. You can export them as a CSV, Excel, or JSON file, or connect it directly to your workflows using the Apify API. This makes it easy to analyze prices, track inventory, or build automotive datasets. The AutoNation Scraper is useful for vehicle research, price comparison, inventory monitoring, and automotive market analysis. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like the scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.